So yeah, if we go in here, we got all this stuff to put back in. I'm gonna pressure wash the gas tank and the oil tank, and then yeah, we're gonna start putting stuff back in. So here we go. All right, so gas tank, oil tank are in, hooked up. Oh, let me see if I can get you in there. So we got all that hooked up. We have some dangling wires because we got nothing to hook it to yet, but it looks decent enough for now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the motor in. Hopefully, we're gonna give it a shot anyway. So enjoy this. Engine is in, boys. Look at that, bolted down. And I know you won't believe this, but I had 4 bolts on that table right there. Well, today I only had 2. I don't know where the other 2 went, and I know that I'm completely disorganized. I'm probably really close. Sorry about that. Let me put you down. See where we're looking? Yeah, that works. So I know I'm all completely disorganized and all that, but I had them on there. I don't know where they went. So I took 2 out of the part ski, and they were shorter. I don't know. It's really weird. I don't know which ones are wrong. Those ones are the ones that were in here, but whatever. Had a new motor mount that I had to replace because the old one, the rubber came off, the bump, whatever you call it. So yeah, we're taking lunch, and then we're gonna try to do the steering column next. That's also gonna be a pain because there's I got a bunch of new parts, and I'll film that more. I just forgot to push the record button when it was in, and I'm not taking it back out to redo it. So anyway, see you guys in a second.